The utility knife is something I use more than anything. I use it every day in my life at home and at work. I like this guy. It's got a push button opener. That's nice. Little rubber handle. SK Tool's been making some good stuff. It does have a wire cutter thing. If you've ever used one of these, tell me how it works, because I'm not good at using them, but it does have one. And for changing out the blades, really easy. Press the button, pull out your blade, put your new blade in, and then the most important thing, storage in the back. See that? You put a whole bunch of blades in the back because you're going through a few of these per day. It really stinks if you only have one blade to deal with. Yeah, as far as use goes, holds well in the hand. I like that you got a little gripper here for your finger so you're not sliding off on accident. I do like that there's a bit of a guard here. So if you're choking up on this thing on accident, you're not going to accidentally cut your fingers. So this is what I do all day at work. Cutting stinking cardboard boxes. And for that job, it is very good. Really easy to deploy and open one-handed, which is super important. So, yeah, this seems like a very, very good knife for the money. Cha-cha!